We all know the percentage of oxygen in our environment is 21 percentage, right? So the question is, for example, there are four guys who are trying to climb Mount Everest. Now, these two guys doesn't need oxygen because to an extent you can climb Mount Everest without oxygen. Yes or no? Now, when you are close to the top, you require oxygen cylinders to supply you oxygen because the oxygen content on Mount Everest is less. Now let's come to the question that is frequently asked in exams. What is the percentage of oxygen at high altitudes, like for example Mount Everest? Is it 21 percentage? Is it less than 21 percentage? Is it more than 21 percentage? The answer to this is 21 percentage. It is not less than 21 percentage. I'll tell you why. See, at the foot of the hill or on the ground, if you take unit volume of air, let's say in this there are 1000 air molecules. Of this, 210 air molecules will be oxygen on the ground. Now, as you go up, if you take same unit volume of air, you cannot find 1000 air molecules. You can only find 100 air molecules, of which 21 will be oxygen. So what is the difference? The density of air at lower levels is much higher than the density of air at higher levels. So as you go up, the amount of oxygen available to these guys is less. That's why they need oxygen cylinders to give them oxygen. But if you take it as percentage, still out of 100, 21 will be oxygen. But on ground, in that unit volume of air, there are 1000 molecules available. Here, only 100 molecules are available. So, amount of oxygen is less, density of air is less, pressure of air is less at higher altitudes, but not percentage. If you consider percentage of oxygen, it is still 21 percentage. Except ऊपर बहुत कम molecules मिलेगा उसका if you remove percentage for oxygen, it will still be 21 percentage as our environment is homogeneous. That means it mixes like almost same at all altitudes to a very very high levels, including water.